they're not masculine energy based. Everybody has a balance of masculine and feminine energy. It doesn't matter what your sex or gender is. But the concept is that if you're a female and your predominant energy is masculinity or femininity, but then you change or adopt masculine energy, what happens? Look at the most successful women in the world. What's the number one thing that everybody accuses them of being? This is where you get women leading in network marketing, is because they're willing to do something that makes them uncomfortable to excel. They adopt masculine energy, and this is also why men fail, because men they're born with this energy, but they take it for granted. They don't know how to use it. They're taught to soften it. They're taught to put it off to the side. They're taught that it's an unfair bullying advantage. You really want to succeed in this business. This business is driven off of masculine energy for leadership. It's not sexist. It's just energy. For women, men could learn so much by women who are leaders in this industry just by paying attention to how they wind up leveraging the very God-given gift that they were given at birth and they threw away.